Hello friends, meet me again, Ray Photography 27. How are you all? I hope you are in a good shape, in good conditions. Now I want you to follow me for some review video of my custom parts diecast 1/8 scale that I just got. I got 5 1/8 scales that I want to recreate or build based on what I got. The first one is this Porsche. So I bought it like really cheap price because besides just photographies, I also love to rebuild the custom parts material like this, to repaint it, to build it, to find some missing part. So that's why I decided to buy this one. I bought it from my brother in Indonesia. It's Fahri car slot diecast. You can check his Instagram and his Facebook on the description below. So the first one that I want to review is the Porsche. I got this Porsche. This is Maisto, made in Thailand. As you can see, the conditions like the paint, some missing part, and yeah, maybe crack on the windshield, you know, that I want to rebuild it because I know the important detail parts like the engine bay, it's still good. That's why I really have some concept for this diecast and decided to bought it because my main considerations when I want to buy these custom parts materials, some of us say it's junk, but I just say it's abandoned preloved, is I try to concept it first. I try to think about what will I do and what kind of parts that missing that I might find it in the market. Like just example like this one, maybe I will repaint it and I will make it as the racing diorama with some maybe some minor incident with some stack of the tires. So yeah, it's too good. All right, so that's the first one. The second one, I also got this CLK GTR Mercedes-Benz. This is same, this is my Maisto 1/8 scale also. I've got it still a complete. The minor is maybe a scratch on the windshield, some body parts, most of it need to be repainted, but overall the parts, the components like the side view mirror, like the tires, everything still attached. And like the Porsches, the main part like the engine base and the component of the engine, it's still there. So that's why I decided to buy it. This is really extremely cheap diecast because it's almost the same like the carded or the blister diecast, the small scale, but the price is around $5 to $12. Just that's it. With some creativity, you can change this abandoned preloved diecast to be great models. But yeah, as I said, the first you have to make some ideas, the concept about what will you do with the abandoned preloved diecast like this one, because not everyone have the time, have a plenty time to recreate or rebuild the models. But if you got a time and if you are a creative person, you like to build something, this is models is for you. All right. The third one is the SLK 1996. As you can see in here, the missing components definitely the tire. This is actually not the real one, not the original tire. This is the wheels from the Lamborghini, if I'm not mistaken. Meanwhile, like the engines, like the doors, side view mirror, the interior, generally is still attached. So if you believe me, this is like $4, just $4. You got the 1/8 scale. You just need to find the correct wheels from the others abandoned pre-loved models and put it in here, or you want to try to make it better, like by the Ulinowak wheels, Ulinowak rims, that will be much more better. So it's simple as I just need to repaint it a little bit, or I don't need to repaint it, just like touch up and a little bit polish it, wax might be. This is Maisto, also Maisto Thailand, SLK230. Yeah, the steering, the component, it's still good. That's why I decided to buy it, because I want to make it more better shape, because I cannot stand to see the 1/8 scale like this, you know, abandoned without any maintenance, without any, yeah, hard to say, but I will make it better. That's the third one. The fourth one is the Auto Art. This is actually the Auto Art Corvette. Now, I got it with these conditions, with no trunk cover, so seems like the wheels also already gone. The hood, it's still there. I just need to fix the clamp or the place that it's attached. The other things like the side view mirror, like the interior, like the engine parts, component, it's still good. And I will show you. So as you can see in here, this is Auto Art. The chassis, the components, really nice, isn't it? It's really the signatures of the Auto Art. Actually, there is a Maisto version for this Corvette, but I got the Auto Art one. I'm so excited. I just need to retouch the paint a little bit. As you can see in here, it's already damaged, and I need to find the correct wheels. I will repaint it, whether I will repaint it as the same color or I will repaint it with the other color. Just stay tuned at Yuns_garage for my custom special account. Alright, move to the next one, the last one. See, you must be not believe that this is the abandoned pre-loved diecast. It's almost flawless, you know. There's no big major minus in here. I got it on like $8 for these models, $8 or $9. You see, there is no cracked window, there is no crashed on some parts of the body, maybe just a little bit scratch. It's normal use. Everything can be open in here. This is Burago and still made in Italy. You can see in here. The engine part, it's still complete. See, the colors also still nice. The interior is really nice also. The steering wheels can be turned along with the steering column. The front sections also can be opened. It's still a nice detail. The right doors still can hold its positions. So it's really nice actually. Not every abandoned pre-loved diecast or the junk, it's really minus in every single things. No, you just need to be a little bit detailed before you decided to buy it, because some of them has some minus in here, some of them has some plus in there, so you just need to decide it first. Make a concept for what will you do with the diecast, and then if you already make some deals, you think the price is okay, go for it, make some creation, make it better. Okay, thank you for following me for this reviewing some of my abandoned preloved diecast that I bought from Fahri, car slots diecast. Click like if you agree this is a nice model to be recreate or rebuild, or click dislike if you prefer to buy it as a brand new, or just maybe don't have a time for rebuild diecast. Thank you, have a nice day, see you in another video, bye bye.